Welcome to DelphStack. Today you will learn how to force apt update from an unsigned repository safely. This video is perfect for beginners and intermediate Linux users. Flexibility, run the following. Command to update package lists while keeping authentication checks. This will allow apt to fetch updates from source without verifying GPG signatures. Use only in trusted or testing environments. Run this command to update from repositories using insecure HTTP instead of HTTPS. This bypass transport security checks and should only be used for local and legacy repos and non-production with system. Thanks for watching DelphStack. If this helped, check out our other Linux tutorials and don't forget to like and subscribe.